Hello YouTube and my electric drive fans, and especially today for the drivers of Nissan Leaf. A very quick tutorial. No, it's not a big deal, it's just changing a battery. But yes, if you get message or like your remote can't unlock the car anymore or key is not detected, probably the battery is very low. It's supposed to give you on the dashboard a warning message for low battery on your remote, on your key. So here how you're gonna be changing this. The first thing, if you haven't played with this yet, is to release the actual key, the physical key. So you press this little thing over here to release the key, and now you're just with the remote. So now next I'm gonna be using this little thing, but not the knife. I think it was this part. Yeah, was this? Nope. Yeah, actually it's this part because it's very smooth and it's not sharp. So the first thing you want to do is to find here this little hole. And you, well, obviously I open it a few times. You want to just slightly to crack it, and that's fine. Then you don't need more. And then you just go all through to pop up the clips. And you can keep it this way. Keep the button down, facing down. So you don't want to drop any of those parts. You can just leave the top part of the remote on the side. Here is the battery itself. So well, right now I already replaced mine, and the load stuck there. Yep. So this one is Maxwell CR2032, which honestly fits perfectly fine. This is how you put it. The original battery, I think, was this one, Sony, and definitely it's a tiny one. It's CR2025. This one was in my remote. I don't know if before the battery been changed or something, but the only thing that you're gonna notice, well, the CR32 is slightly thicker than the CR2025. So not a big deal, but I do believe it offers you much longer life compared to the 2025. So once you're done, place the battery. Make sure you have the positive of the battery, which is the bottom, facing the bottom of the remote. Then align the both parts and start matching them. It'll feel a little bit more snug than with the original battery. So with the multimeter, I noticed that it gives you the warning message once your button battery inside reaches voltage low to, I mean, very close to 3 volts, which is supposed to be. But the new one, like I have here a blister, I have a blister of Maxwell CR2032, and you have a hose here, if you can see, on this side and this side, so you, through the package, you can measure the voltage. So I noticed they're slightly higher, they're like 3.3, 3.2. So yeah, I didn't want to take a chance, my key not to be worked, because you might be able with the physical key to unlock the car and get inside, but then if the case is low battery, then you're not gonna be able definitely to start your car, which is pretty inconvenient thing. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching. Hopefully that was useful. It's a very simple thing, not a big deal, but I thought for somebody of you might be useful. So I'll be posting this also on Nissan Leaf owners group on Facebook. If you didn't join it, you can go and join. It's a lot of us there sharing our experience and giving advices and so. And see you soon. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.